Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to enable send read receipts for message requests on X. If you've ever wanted people to know exactly when you've seen their incoming requests, this quick guide will help you set it up in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust your settings. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on the message icon. This is the little envelope symbol that takes you straight into your direct messages. Next, you'll notice two sections inside messages, your main inbox and message requests. Tap on message requests to head into that section. This is where messages from people you don't follow or accounts you don't interact with much usually show up. Now, at the top right corner of this screen, you'll see the settings icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open up the messaging settings menu. Inside the settings menu, you'll find several options to customize how your messages work. What we're looking for specifically is the option to send read receipts. By default, this option might be turned off for message requests, but enabling it is very straightforward. Simply toggle on the switch for send read receipts. Once this feature is activated, whenever you open a message request, the sender will be able to see that you've read it, just like in your regular direct messages. This small change can make your communication feel clearer and more transparent, especially if you want people to know their messages aren't being ignored. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've successfully enabled send read receipts for message requests on X. From now on, whenever you open those requests, the sender will get that little confirmation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to keep exploring more ways to customize your account settings. Thanks for watching.